Executive Secretary and Secretary Economic Affairs, Government of India. He played a pivotal role in conceptualizing, formulating economic policies. In acknowledgement of his rich and varied experience and sharp administrative acumen, Sri Das was appointed the Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in 2018. In this role, he has been providing this august institution inspiring leadership and a sense of new directions in these challenging times. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to the nation, Utkal University deems it an honor to bestow upon him the Sri Shaktikant Das the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa in Business Studies and Management on the occasion of its 50th convocation, Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Sir, I present Sri Shaktikant Das for the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa in Business Studies and Management. Sri Girish Chandra Murmu, born in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, Sri Murmu received his postgraduate education at Utkal University. Subsequently, he obtained an MBA degree from the University of Birmingham, United Kingdom. Sri Murmu joined IAS in 1985. He has the distinction of serving Sri Narendra Modi, the then Chief Minister of Gujarat, as Principal Secretary. In acknowledgement of his outstanding abilities as an administrator, Sri Murmu was appointed as the First Lieutenant Governor of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. At present, he is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. His alma mater, Utkal University, takes immense pride in Sri Murmu's achievements as a dynamic and distinguished civil servant. On the occasion of its 50th convocation, the university deems it a privilege to confer upon Sri Girish Chandra Murmu the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa in Business Studies and Management in recognition of the splendid service he has rendered the nation. Sir, I present Sri Girish Chandra Murmu for the degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa in Business Studies and Management.
Now I request Dean Faculty of Science and Technology to present Dr. Ajit Kumar Mahanti for presentation of degree of Doctor of Science.
Professor Ajit Kumar Mahanti, Director, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai, has a distinguished career as a scientist spanning nearly 4 decades. He has earned numerous distinctions which include Young Scientist Award of Indian Physical Society, Indian National Science Academy Award, Homi Bhabha Science and Technology Award, and many more. In recognition of his unwavering commitment to the advancement of scientific knowledge, Utkal University confers upon Professor Ajit Kumar Mahanti the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa in Science and Technology on the occasion of its 50th convocation today. Sir, I present Dr. Ajit Kumar Mahanti in person for the degree of Doctor of Science honoris causa in Science and Technology.
Now I request Dean Humanities and Social Sciences to present Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu for degree of Doctor of Literature honoris causa.
Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu, an inspiring institution builder. Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu has emerged as a visionary leader in the field of education in Odisha. The Sai International Educational Group he has founded embody the ideals of excellence he passionately cherishes. Trained as a chartered accountant, Dr. Sahu has also studied law, business administration, and received training at the Harvard Graduate School of Education, United States of America, National College for School Leadership, United Kingdom, and Asian International College, Singapore. A former director of Allahabad Bank and the Hindustan Shipyard Limited, he has been honored with numerous awards and accolades such as QCI Quality Championship Award 2020 and Achiever of Odisha by Times of India. His appointment as the advisor cum working president, Odisha Adarsha Vidyalaya Sangathan by the Government of Odisha recognizes and celebrates his vast experiences as a pragmatic visionary. On the occasion of its 50th convocation, Utkal University deems it a privilege to confer upon Dr. Vijay Kumar Sahu the degree of Doctor of Letters honoris causa in humanities and social sciences in recognition of his ardent pursuit of excellence in the field of education and his influential role as an institution builder. Sir, I present to you the candidates who have been, after examination, found qualified for his
Honorable Chancellor to sign the degree book to be presented by the Registrar, Utkal University.
उत्कल विश्वविद्यालय जो लक्ष्य रही सत्यं परं धीमहि मो प्रज्ञा और ज्ञान श्रेष्ठ अत्युत्तम कार्यक्रम 1936 स्वतंत्र उत्कल प्रदेश गठित होगा परे विश्वविद्यालय आरंभ होता 1943 सेतबेलर प्रधानमंत्री श्री
The Honorable Vice President of India, Shri M. Venkaiah Naidu ji, who is our chief guest today, to present the convocation address.